Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to welcome you to Season Beauties. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our BoxyCharm Premium Box. Okay, we've already received our base box for the month, but this is the Premium Box. And for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, the base box, Premium Box, or even the Luxe, check out the description box down below. It has all of the information in it, as well as a coupon code if you'd like to try it out for yourself. So let's just jump in and see what's in this box, okay? Well, of course, as I stated, it is the premium box, and we know so, in addition, by seeing premium across the bottom, okay? So let's see what it is. This one is status 000, okay? And this one has some goodies up in here, okay? So let's just start at the top. Well, I don't like to necessarily start with palettes because we do want to swatch them and I don't want to get the products all over everything, okay? So let's just go to the next one. So the next item, which is going to be our first. So the first item that we have is by Bare Minerals, and this is the Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. It says the #1 tinted moisturizer in the US. This 3-in-1 multitasker is a moisturizer, a skin tint, and an SPF 30 with hyaluronic acid to boost hydration for a dewy, healthy looking glow. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $37. Now, this is a 1.1 fluid ounce size, and as it said, it is a broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen, and it is cruelty free, vegan, paraben free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, synthetic fragrance free. Okay, y'all get it, right? All right, good. And it is gluten-free. Now, it is dermatologist tested, and it is hypoallergenic. Now, the shade that I have is Chestnut 09. Okay, can you see that okay? All right, so let's just open it up and see what the inside packaging looks like. Oh. Okay, this is interesting packaging. See that right there, the gold tube. All right, and let's see if we have a expiration date. Well, it has no expiration date listed. It says clean without compromising performance. It says clean multitasking tinted moisturizer combines hydrating skincare benefits with a radiant, natural looking coverage. It is lightweight. It is a gel cream texture, and it is water infused formula, and it boosts skin hydration by 215% in just 1 week. Those are some claims right there. We're going to have to really, really test this out, okay? And it says it is buildable, sheer to medium coverage, and it gives you that dewy, healthy glow, okay? So, as I stated, I do not see an expiration date on the box or on the packaging, or inside packaging, that is, okay? So let's just move right along. I will let you know, well, when we do our try on review and first impressions, we can really see what this shade looks like. It does look like it will match, right? Right? Okay. I really do want to swatch it though. So just stay tuned for the try on. Okay, so that's the first item that we checked out. And the second one is by Stone Street Soap House. And this says Geronimo Wholesome Body Cream. Okay, that's what this is right here. And it says, with a heart of geranium flower oil, Geronimo is a little floral, a little herbal, and so very Moorish. Okay, really? Natural oils, including jojoba, argan, and almond, nourish the skin without making it greasy, free from colors and parabens, cruelty-free, made in England with 100% responsibly sourced natural oils. This is brand new to Boxy, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $32. Now this is a pretty nice size jar because it says this is an 8.46 fluid ounce size. This indulgent body cream is enriched with English honey, shea butter, and cocoa butter. Its bright floral scent was inspired by a twilight stroll through a wildflower meadow, okay? And it has a shelf life of 6 months. Massage into clean, dry skin. Free from, we went through all of the, okay. Free from parabens and artificial colors. So, let's see. Oh, it's, that actually smells really nice. It's not too heavy. Let's just see. We're gonna put a little bit on. Oh, yes. Oh, a little went a long way. So, look, I like it. I like it a lot, and it feels very nice on my hands, okay? So, that is the second item that we checked. And moving right along, the next item that I have is by Avant Skincare. I love their products. Oh, I love their products. You remember this one right here? I'm trying to hold on to it as long as I can, but, ooh. I'm sorry. I got sidetracked. Okay, but this is the Avant Skincare Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Anti-Oxidizing Cleansing Gel. That was a mouthful. It says it's a mild, non-drying gel. This aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin feeling overexposed. Okay. With a cocktail of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant extracts, it helps prevent breakouts and soothes irritation. The perfect first step in your skin care regimen. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for this product right here is $110. My skin better look absolutely amazing and glow to the gods. Okay. Well, this is a 3.38 fluid ounce size, and this one has a 12-month shelf life. All right. I can't even open it to smell it. Let me tell you something. At $110, I will be using every single drop out of here. So I'm not ready to open it yet. I just opened my Elements from last month. So we will let you know how this one works when we do come around to that. So, you know what? I was so hopeful. I was really, really hopeful. But I have another repeat product. And this is by Outre. And this is the Best Buds shampoo and conditioner duo. And it says healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stressed out strands with natural ingredients like jojoba, baobab, okay, and avocado, while the anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD oil nourish and soothe your scalp. It's great for all hair types too. Tame frizz, protect your hair color, and add lustrous shine. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $66, okay? I've already had it, and it's already been used, and now I have it again. I can't tell you exactly how it was because I sent it to my daughter. She has coconut allergy, and so whenever I do come across a shampoo and or conditioner without coconut in it, I do try to get her to test it for me, okay? So yet again, another repeat item. Wow. Okay, I have nothing else to say. The next item that we have is by Luxe. I have this too. However, I can't say it's the exact same item because the last time I got them in gray. So it says this dual-sided, this is the all-purpose sponge set by Luxe. It says the dual-sided beauty sponge is best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. This sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it to your skin. Okay, and the microfiber sponge used dry will apply your powder product smoothly, or used wet will apply your liquid products with no lines of demarcation. Okay, the manufacturer suggested retail price for these two is $40. Okay, so I don't know what else I can tell you about the beauty sponges, but that's what they are. So let's just jump back to the first item that we pulled out of the box, which is this palette right here. And this is by LUNAR BEAUTY. And this is the Nude Prism Color Palette. Soft and Romantic 18 Well Eyeshadow Palette. What? 18 Well Eyeshadow Palette of neutral and soft pinks, 6 shimmers, and 12 mattes. I have no idea what that was supposed to say, but nonetheless, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $48. So this one is a 0.9 ounce size, and as you heard, there are 18 shades inside. Actually, there are 18 shadows inside. Maybe that's what they meant to say. I don't know. All right, and this one has a 12-month shelf life as well, and this is a cruelty-free product. Ooh, oh, that is gorgeous. Check out this palette cover. Boy, that's gorgeous. And if the shades inside are as beautiful as the palette, and they are. Ooh. Okay, it does come with a mirror. And this is the perfect palette for me. Wow. Look at that. Let me get you a good look. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. I just want to look at it right now. But I will swatch it so I can share it with you. Okay, I'm going to show you what I swatched. So here, this is deeper on the top, and this is moody on the bottom. Okay, can you see that all right? Then on the inner part of my arm, on the top, the first one is Icy. The second one is Star-Crossed. The third one is called Apricot, and the fourth one is Sakura. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I'm excited to use this palette. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I'm excited to try that one. Okay, so y'all know I gotta get this off. Okay, so to ensure that I didn't get this all over my clothes or everything else, I did go ahead and take it off. Okay, so I just want to know, what are your thoughts about the BoxyCharm Premium? Okay, I happen to like the assortment of products. Okay, we have a tool, we have hair care, we have skin care, we have a complexion item, we have a body cream, and then of course this absolute gorgeous palette. Okay, so I'm not mad at the premium. They're trying to make me not cancel. They really, really are. So, because you know, I was ready to cancel the premium. I just want to say thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm Premium box for the month of July. Okay, and these are the items that were enclosed. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed. Please leave me a message down below. Let me know your thoughts about the premium box. Are they making it hard for you to decide if you want to keep it, if you want to cancel, or is that not even an option for you right now? Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.